Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford F150 tail light. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and your new tail light assembly. Make sure your truck is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. Always consult your F150's owner's manual for any model-specific details before starting. Now let's remove the old tail light. Open your tailgate to access the two retaining screws, usually Phillips head, and remove them. With the screws out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the truck body. Be careful not to force it. Finally, disconnect the electrical connectors by pressing the tabs and pulling them apart. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. Quick recommendation. Changing a tail light can be a dirty job, so why not treat your feet to some darn tough socks? They are incredibly comfortable and come with a lifetime warranty. You can find the link for these amazing socks and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Installing your new tail light is straightforward. First, connect the electrical wiring harness to the new tail light assembly, ensuring a secure fit. Next, carefully align the new tail light with the mounting pins on your F150's body. Push the assembly firmly into place until it sits flush. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two retaining screws you removed earlier.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.